Okay, we are welcome once more. Today we are going to continue proper with our design. Okay, um, we are done with the setup. You've known how to, set up your working background. Now we are going straight to the design. I'm going to select my layer wall, which is here already. So if you click here, if you click on this arrow, you will see different layers. So I've selected wall already. So assuming I want to select, let me say window, I'll just click on window. Window will come up there. So we are working with wall. Return it to wall. Now this is a construction line. This line with double arrow up and down with a middle dot. Once you place your cursor there, the name will come out boldly. Construction line. So you pick it, you come to anywhere at all on this your working background. You come to anywhere, you click. You can start here, you can start here, you can start at the middle, anywhere at all. So you click. I'm clicking here now. I click. So I drag my mouse down. That's why I say you should get your external mouse, because it's your mouse that will help to control your working background. I click and drag my mouse down. You can see a line. I click. That is vertical line. I move my mouse right. I click. You can now see a horizontal line. Then I click on enter on my keyboard. Just tap enter. You can see it. These are found our construction line. At this point now, you can now go ahead with your construction. So here now, let's ask ourselves, what are we trying to design? What plan are we trying to design? What dimension of plan are we trying to design? So here in a quick, I will design a two-bedroom bungalow. That is 2 bedroom, with a parlor, that is sitting room, and other dimensions. So here now, what you should understand, as an electronics designer in power sector, if you are on installation of building, there's no how you install an electrical fitting. There's no how you run your electrical plan, your electrical wiring without a structure. There must be a structure. That's why I'm bringing us a knowledge of architectural. You need to understand your architectural plan before you can draw your electrical plan. That's why what I'm teaching us is a professional study. I will educate us on how to understand how to draw an architectural plan before you can go into electrical. So now we are going to design a 2-bedroom bungalow. 2-bedroom bungalow. This is our construction line. So you go to offset. Having achieved this now, you go to offset. This is offset. So you click on offset. It said specify offset distance. So now it is 150 there, but yours we just write through. Why mine is 150 is because this is a work that I've been doing. You understand? I've selected this dimension before now, so it's 150. But if yours is not 150, just type 150, then enter. You click on either of these lines, whether the vertical one or the horizontal one. So you click here, you move your cursor right, you click, you come to this horizontal line, you click, you move your cursor down, you click, enter. Now you can zoom. How do you zoom? You zoom by rolling the ball of your mouse up. Once you roll the ball of your mouse up, you can see it to be increasing. Then you make sure that your cursor is at the center. See what is happening. See where I maintain my cursor. Then I'm zooming and rolling the ball of my mouse up. You can see it now. So if I roll the ball of my mouse down, it will zoom in. So that is zoom out, zoom in, roll up, roll down, roll up, roll down, zoom up, zoom in. So okay. Now, having achieved this, this is your wall thickness. We are using 150 because we are working with 6 inches block. So 150 millimeters equals 6 inches. Okay, now having gotten this, we're going back to offset. You click on offset. You put the dimension of your room now. We are using a standard dimension of 3.6 meters. 3.6 meters to millimeter is 3600. So because we've set our working background in millimeters, so I'm going to type 3600. 3600. Then enter. You click on this side. You move your cursor right, you click. You click on this vertical line. You move your cursor up, you click. You zoom in. You can see it now. Now you go back to your offset again. You click. Add the wall thickness to this. So it's 150. Just type 150. Enter. Return back to here. Come to this side. You know, when you click this and put it inside, you've reduced the dimension of this room. Remember, what you are doing is just 3600 square meters. That is, it should be equal 3600 by 3600. So if you observe this and bring it inside, that means that the room dimension are reduced. So here we take it outside. 150. You take it outside. Look at it. You take it outside. You click this other end. You take it outside as well. Okay. You can now see here. The whole of this here now is 3600 square meters. That is 3.6 square meters. You can see it now. That's 3600 millimeters square. Okay. That is 3.6 meters square. That is what you are having here. That's why it's equal. Okay. Now this is a room. As it is now, it's a room. You may not understand it, but as you proceed, you understand it proper. Okay. I told us that we are constructing a 2-bedroom bungalow. A 2-bedroom bungalow. Now, let's go. This is one room. We now have another room. We have another room. Offsets. So I now offset again 3600. Enter. Come to this end, click, move it right. Okay. Now go back to offset. I now type 150. That is the wall thickness, 150. You click here, out. You click. Okay. Now these two rooms. These two rooms. We are now going to add our sitting room here. Our sitting room will come here. This is the nature of the design. Our sitting room comes here. Then our veranda comes here. This space that we are making for our sitting room. Then this is another space that we are making for our veranda. Now, let's watch what happened here. Then our sitting room now, we are using a dimension of 5000 square millimeters. That is 5000 by 5000. That's the dimension we are using. Now let me offset this. I offset by 5000. 5000. You click here, bring it down. So from here to here now is 5000. From here to here is 5000. But this side now, I want to increase it here. Remember, this from here, from this end to this end is 3600. So 5000 by 3600 will look so narrow. And this is sitting room, so I have to expand it. See what I'm going to do. I've measured here already. Here now is in line. So I will take from here and offset. So I'm going to expand it by making it 5000 by 4500. Okay. So I now type 4500. 4500, enter. I click here. I click at this end. I move it like this. See where I'm moving, because this is the direction where I want you to appear. So I just click. Look at it here now. So I can now trim out. I can now trim out. Now see trim. See this trim. This icon here. If you watch my cursor now, you can see this icon. That is trim. So if I click on it now, trim. I right click. Take the method now. I click, I right click before I will implement it. So if you click without right clicking, it will not work. Make sure that you right click. Now let me take out this side. This side is unwanted side. It's an unwanted part. I'm not using it, so I'll move it out. Like this side too, I'll move it out. You can see what's happening now. It's giving us what we want. So here now, I'm going to move it out as well. I'm going to move it out as well. So this is what I'm doing now.